San Bernardino mountains covered in snow this morning after blizzard-like conditions swept through the area overnight.
Officials are reminding people to pack your chains if you plan to travel up to the mountain today.
This meant it was time to go play in the snow. Sit back, relax, and enjoy another adventure video. After enjoying a warm campfire, we decided to take a trail out of camp that was a shorter distance to the highway. We would soon find out this wouldn't be the faster route. We'd run into deep snow, trail that hadn't been broken, and find my truck right on the edge of sliding off the mountain.
The truck is about to fall off this cliff if we don't get it unstuck. We really just want to get out of the cold at this point.
I'd arrived to the trail and air down the tires using the Moreflate Quad Plus, which is now available for purchase on my website. Joining me for this adventure was Micheal Tran.
What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So today, I'm out in the desert somewhere and we're gonna head into the mountains very shortly. Today I'm out here with Micheal Tran. He also has a YouTube channel.
What's up, guys?
You will see him later. But yeah, we're gonna hit the trail, enjoy another video.
We decided to enter the mountain through the high desert in hopes we would miss the crowds, and I really wanted to see the Joshua trees covered in snow.
These boulders are pretty cool.
I like them boulders. Those are nice boulders.
This area of the desert offered incredible views with the boulders scattered throughout the hills, and we could see the snow-covered mountains up ahead.
If they have a crazy different type of pattern with the system up here, we might get snow on or not. It's really overcast.
I'm anxious to see how much snow we're gonna get into.
Those guys on those 4x4 form are right. We should hit a lot of snow.
On our way up to the mountain, we saw some old structures we wanted to check out, but then realized it was private property. On the outside of the gate was this old tractor, so we stopped to take some photos.
All right, you guys, so we stopped on the trail here because Micheal knows about
A secret lake.
Yeah, they're supposed to...
It's not so secret anymore, but supposedly there's goldfish years ago. We'll see. It's really, really dry right now, and I don't know, not sure with this snow how the fish are gonna survive.
Yeah, so we're gonna go try to find some goldfish.
Your car, you know, I don't need to hear your music. But it connects to each other.
So this...
Last time I was here, it was bone dry.
This is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know how these don't fall in. But yeah, it connects to a drainage system on the other side as well.
I can hear some water running over there.
I don't see.
No way, there's a foot, there's a fish.
These are colors, so I'm seeing it.
Now this is fun. Whoa, you guys can't see me, can you? There we go. What are these drainages for anyways? Where does it even go?
It overflows to the creek right here to the right.
Guess there's a creek down there.
But last time I was here, we literally like we walked across this. It's so dry. Goldfish I saw right now was swimming, and as soon as he saw us, he just like went into hiding. I don't know if it's too cold and they just go a little bit deeper into all the reeds, but that was really cool. I wanted to see goldfish in this pond.
They're not gonna believe it.
I know, we have to go search for the subscribers.
Your voodoo magic didn't work on the goldfish, huh?
I seen this work, right? 1, 2, 3. Now. All right. We're hooked up.
All right, so what happened there was a big group of tacomas, probably like 15 of them. And one of them was stuck on the hill. So I went around him, but then there was a guy coming down the hill. And so I had to stop. And when I stopped, I was on ice. So I got stuck. So luckily a guy pulled me out with the kinetic rope from the front. Dude! Bro!
Dude, that was so hectic.
That was a
Oh my gosh.
That was a pile up, bro.
Dude, 60. I counted 60 rigs went through side by side. We're stuck.
You tell my camera, you tell my people what you're doing,
yeah,
and I'll tell your people what we're doing.
So what we're doing is trying to go up the 15 freeway right now, and as you can see, there's traffic jam. This right now is high season with off-roadings.
Yeah, you heard them. There's a group of like 20 tacomas, and we're sandwiched right in the middle of them. And we're finally up in the mountain, dude.
Oh gosh.
Finally.
What normally take, when I run this cell, an hour to get up to this spot, took us what, 4 hours?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought I was the only one that made PB&J.
No, it's like,
it's easy, right?
after high school when I started my business with my friend,
Yeah.
he brought PB&J. I made it to work and I fell in love with it. It was like so good. So this brings back me to like the poor day when you after you graduate high school and you just want to eat real quick and you want to work.
You know,
PB&J, man.
That's how you get work done, right? PB&J in edit.
Yep.
So there's another recovery going on right up the road. Can-Am pulling another Can-Am out, so we have to wait again. There's also a 4Runner right here sitting on traction boards. This probably was left here overnight. I'll show you guys it right now.
Oh, tie rod, dude.
No.
Yeah.
Looks like he broke something for sure.
Look. Arm.
Lower control arm?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah,
Ball joint.
off the spindle.
Oh, yeah.
I'm having flashbacks from the stranded in the desert.
And his tie rod's gone too. It's not connected.
Wow. Wow, look at all that snow.
I've honestly never spent so much time in the snow. For the last few months, I've been up in these mountains exploring in the snow almost every weekend, and I've really been loving it. There's something really special about being out on the mountain during winter. The vibe is just completely different. The views are just completely different. The smell of the crisp air is invigorating, and when you get out on a snow-covered trail and find no one else, that's the real kind of bliss and solitude that I search for. Michael and I would be finding a place to have a campfire, but first we'd have to pave a trail through the snow. Pro tip: drive back and forth on the ground you want to hang out on to pack down the snow. Thanks, Greg.
Oh yeah, this is sick.
Yeah.
Shout out to Trail Newbie. I saw it on his video. Let's burn all this wood. This is that French wood, dude.
Yeah, that's a big one. You have an axe?
Bro, look at this. There's only 3 big pieces. Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Let's get some smaller ones
Yeah, I
down
think
there.
we need some kindlings for sure.
Boom. Boom.
There's something magical about being in a snow-covered mountain, surrounded by pristine white powder and towering peaks. The air is crisp, each breath feels invigorating. As I sit there, I'm humbled by the sheer magnitude of nature's beauty, and as I gaze out at the panoramic vista before me, I'm reminded of just how small we are in this vast, awe-inspiring world.
That's
nice.
warm. Dang. Oh, it's nice to be relaxing at camp.
Yeah. I was almost turning around when I see all those side by side. I was about to radio you and say, hey dude, let's turn around, let's explore a different offshoot of that trail.
When you got stuck behind those guys the first time, I thought you were gonna just turn around and bounce, dude.
I was
getting on the radio and I wasn't hearing anything.
I forgot to bring my radio.
Oh, it was in the truck.
Yeah. So
One of the guys told me you were helping shovel and stuff.
Yeah, I got the shovel out, and as soon as I got to you, you got pulled out already, and you went ahead.
Mm-hmm.
And then I thought everyone would wait until that Tacoma would get pulled out.
Mm-hmm.
And then afterwards, like 50 side by side, keep going. And so I was like, forget it, you know. I was almost like radio you in, but I was waiting for them to go down because they were just like going up so quick, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So once they made it all up, I was like, I want to see where you're at. If you're committed, then let's go. But if you're not, then let's turn around.
Yeah.
It was getting really, really
I was committed, dude. I wanted to get right here around a fire, dude. It's in the 20s.
Yeah.
It's like, I think it said 29.
Yeah.
The truck.
It's gonna be cold in like an hour.
Oh yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. That was snow falling, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely. Widowmaker, right?
We're bringing s'mores to the channel. This is 2 videos in a row. S'mores. I grew up camping as a kid every summer in Mammoth.
Okay.
And in high school I got into backpacking. Had a long travel truck for, man, a long time. I think like 7 years.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I would go out to Barstow a lot and have fun.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, then got a 4-wheel drive on it unexpectedly. And now here we are.
Overlanding.
Overlanding. What a funny word that is.
I honestly it's kind of on the fence is how I like to be labeled.
Truck camping.
Yeah.
Yeah. Overlanding, that it's just so popular on YouTube though, you got to put it in the title.
That's what people are searching for. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. That was really good.
What was that? I couldn't understand you.
I said that was really good.
That crunch was really good.
That was really crunchy. Double marshmallow?
I think so. This is dinner.
It's definitely.
People are gonna click away right now, huh? Be like, we don't want to watch you eat s'mores. This is a good time before you click away. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. If you don't have an account, make an account. You can make one if you have a Gmail account, which I think a lot of people have Gmail accounts. You could sign in with Google, make an account, and it only takes a few minutes. subscribe to the channel. According to YouTube, only half of you guys watching are subscribed. So yeah, make an account, subscribe to the channel. It's true, right?
Yeah.
There's like 49% are subscribed.
Yeah.
I'm also going to put a link to Michael's channel in the description, so make sure you subscribe to his channel.
We'll do the same, for sure. This has been a fun day. A little hectic, but it made for a memorable day, I think. We're going to talk about this for years to come, for sure.
As we put out the campfire, we thought this would be the end of our adventure.
I know. Dude, it was so fun.
All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed another video. See you guys next Sunday. Make sure you subscribe. See ya.
Well, I certainly thought this was the end of the video, but the real adventure was just about to get started.
All right, so we were heading out and we basically hit a spot on the road that hasn't been broken yet, which means it's fresh snow, no one's driven on it. So what do you think, man? Think we got this? You can see up there.
Yeah.
No one's been on it. It doesn't look deep here. It's not that deep. It's only like 5 inches here, but I think we gotta give it a try, right?
Yeah, if Johnny can pave the way, blaze the trail.
Check. Let's get this craziness beginning.
All right, let's go. Let's see if we can pave this trail.
Most of this fresh snow seemed to be about 5 to 6 inches deep, but there were some sections that got up to a foot deep, and that's when I was dragging my rear axle and front skid plate in the snow. This was one of those sections. We had made it through that deeper snow section, and now we just had to make it to the highway.
Them 35s are doing all right.
Literally around this corner is that campsite.
All right, so we really just want to get out of the cold at this point. We were plowing, went in reverse because the truck wouldn't go anymore. Now my truck is pretty much hanging off the side of the road on a cliff. Yeah, the truck is about to fall off this cliff if we don't get it unstuck. See, my tire is buried there. You guys can't see it. That is a cliff all the way down there. If I do slide down the mountain, I'll just slide down there on my feet and I'll just camp down there, okay?
Arrowhead's that way.
Arrowhead. So we got the Bunker Industries traction boards underneath the rear tires, and we got Mike's traction boards underneath the front tires. We're gonna give it a go. I really don't want to slide anymore. I am hooked up to Mike's truck for safety line, and let's see what happens. All right, so I think I forgot to hit record, but we inched forward, and that rear tire you saw hanging off the ground is now out of that rut, and I'm about maybe a foot or two forward. Check it out. That we saved the Tacoma from death. This may have been the last trip. Geico wouldn't have helped on this one, huh?
No, unless they have a 4x4 with 40s or something.
Overland insurance?
Yeah.
Dang.
Okay, so how? I don't want you to fall in that rut again, so maybe we pack it up with snow. Honestly, you would have been fine if it wasn't so much snow that you're plowing. Totally lost momentum.
Yeah. Yeah, I just need to be able to roll back to where you are.
Yeah.
And then we'll be golden. This is a highly coordinated operation, Mike. What do you think about that, dude?
That would definitely help.
All right, let's just give it a try.
Okay.
Forward now?
No, go back. You can go back.
Keep going back?
Yeah, keep going back slowly. Okay, now straighten out now. Okay, go to passenger. Yeah. All right, you got it, man. That's the line. All right, straighten out now, Johnny. Straighten out. Okay. Yeah, you're no longer in that.
My front slide again.
Huh?
All right. My front sliding in.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll clear out, and then all you do is hard passenger, and then you should be going. At this point, you're pulling me back. Oh yeah, exactly. Cool. Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
All right. All right.
Keep going a little more. All right. All right, you guys, right behind us, there's a nice place for us to turn around. So we're gonna reverse out of here, take the long way home. It's gonna take us a few hours to get out of here. And unless anything crazy happens, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Later.
We have a little signal here if you need to send out anything, but yeah, just send out a text to my wife when I'll be late.
She's never gonna let you go out with me again.